Welcome to Car Cloud. Today, we're diving into a machine that perfectly blends classic motorcycling heritage with modern performance, the new 2026 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. This isn't just another middleweight cruiser. It's a bold expression of style, character, and individuality. If the previous model captured attention with its unique road presence, the 2026 Shotgun 650 takes that formula even further with refined engineering, enhanced comfort, and unmistakable attitude. Designed for riders who appreciate timeless design and engaging performance, the Shotgun 650 continues Royal Enfield's legacy while embracing the future of motorcycling. So gear up, this is modern cruising, redefined. Design and aesthetics. From the moment it rolls into view, the 2026 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 makes a lasting impression. Its low-slung stance, muscular fuel tank, and minimalist bobber-inspired silhouette create a confident and distinctive presence on the road. The compact rear section, blacked-out components, and premium finishes give the motorcycle a more refined and contemporary appearance. A redesigned LED lighting system, updated alloy wheels, and fresh color options further elevate its visual appeal. Every detail has been carefully crafted to balance classic Royal Enfield character with modern styling cues. The result is a motorcycle that looks equally at home cruising city streets or commanding attention on open highways. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 Shotgun 650 lies Royal Enfield's proven parallel twin engine, refined for smoother performance and enhanced rideability. Delivering strong low-end torque and effortless power delivery, the engine provides an engaging riding experience across a wide range of conditions. For 2026, improvements in throttle response, engine refinement, and overall efficiency contribute to a more polished feel. The 6-speed gearbox ensures smooth gear transitions, while the tuned exhaust note adds a satisfying character to every ride. Updated suspension settings and chassis refinements improve stability, comfort, and rider confidence, making long-distance journeys more enjoyable than ever. Safety and technology. The 2026 Shotgun 650 combines classic motorcycling spirit with practical modern technology. Advanced braking systems with dual-channel ABS provide confident stopping power, while improved traction and stability characteristics enhance overall control. A modern digital analog instrument cluster delivers essential riding information with clarity, supported by Royal Enfield's Tripper navigation system for seamless route guidance. Enhanced connectivity features, USB charging capability, and improved ergonomics ensure greater convenience for everyday commuting and long-distance touring alike. Together, these upgrades create a riding experience that is both intuitive and rewarding. Conclusion. The new 2026 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 is more than an update, it's a refined evolution of one of the most distinctive motorcycles in its class. With its striking design, proven twin-cylinder performance, modern technology, and authentic character, it offers a riding experience that stands apart from the crowd. For riders seeking a motorcycle that combines heritage, individuality, and everyday usability, the Shotgun 650 remains a compelling choice for 2026. Stay connected with Car Cloud for the latest motorcycle launches, industry innovations, and the most exciting machines shaping the future of two-wheel mobility.